Good afternoon, everybody. Okay, just a quick follow-up video here on those two knives that I've been showing in the last couple of videos that I made. The handles have all been ground out like I showed in that last one, and I've got the stain on them now, and I've got the first couple of coats of sealer as well, and now I've already started on the sheath, so I'll be showing that here in a minute. So anyway, hang on a second. Alright, here they go on the bench here. Now this one, let's see if I can get it into the frame here. There we go. This one has the walnut handle. Now I haven't acid etched the blades yet. They still need to be polished up a little bit more before I do that. But that's the walnut handle one. And this one is the tiger maple one. Now this one now has been spoken for, and it will not be available on Friday like I had mentioned before. So it has been taken. Thanks, Ed. Appreciate it like I always do. And as you can see, I've got the carving on the handle there. That little scroll work adds a little touch, kind of a French trade pattern type of look. Anyhow, all right, now on to the sheath. Okay, so here's the sheaths for both of these. Now, obviously there's a little different pattern on the blades here. This one's a little narrower, so the sheaths were fit to each one of these. So I've already got the stitch lines all carved in. I still have to put on the strap, but I'm just going to have to stitch these out, and then I can dye them and form fit them, wet form fit around each one of the knives. So, all right, stay tuned. I got more coming. Thanks for watching.